Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about on how we can reset the Xiaomi robot vacuum 5 Pro. So right here you're gonna see you're gonna have the robot vacuum, and you wanna just like take it out the top, and there you're gonna have this kind of like maybe like reset or something that you can like press. And if the robot vacuum malfunctions and cannot be used normally, press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds with the tool until there is a voice message of starting to restore factory settings, and the robot vacuum will be restored to the factory settings. If the factory settings couldn't be restored, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds to forcibly turn off the robot vacuum and restore factory settings. So that's pretty much it. All you have to take the top out and you should be able to like see something like here and just like press it, right? So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided you at least a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.